This video is about setting up a hypothesis test for a binomial distribution. The question reads, a factory claims that 10% of its light bulbs are defective. A quality inspector believes the true defect rate is higher than claimed. She randomly selects 20 light bulbs and counts the number that are defective. Write down the population parameter, the null and alternative hypotheses, the test statistic x, and its distribution under H0. The first step is to define the population parameter, which is P. P is the probability that a randomly chosen light bulb is defective. The second step is to write down the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is H0, P equals 0.10. This says the factory's claim is correct, that exactly 10% of the bulbs are defective. The third step is writing down the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is H1, P is greater than 0.10. The inspector thinks the rate is higher, not just different, so this is a one-tailed test in the upper direction. The fourth step is a test statistic. The test statistic is x, the number of defective bulbs found in a sample of 20. In a binomial test, x is always a whole number. In this case, we're counting the number of defective light bulbs. The last step is to write down the distribution under H0. Under H0, x follows a binomial distribution where n equals 20 and p equals 0.10. This is the result we would expect if the factory claim is correct.